В начале лета в детском ледовом дворце, на площадке которого проводит свои тренировки и игры Магнитогорская спортивная детско-юношеская школа Олимпийского резерва «Металлург», началась полная реконструкция. Заменили все, начиная от трубок с фреоном и бетонной подушки и заканчивая бортами и компрессорным оборудованием. Кроме того, установили современную систему видеонаблюдения. Для пусконаладки компрессорного оборудования в Магнитогорск приехал Тимо Мансиккавитта, генеральный директор финской профильной компании, который немного рассказал о сути своей работы.
Hi, my name is Timo Mansikkaviita from Finland. I am from a Finnish company Suomen Tekojää. My company, we are a cooling unit manufacturer, and we delivered we start year 97. And now we are delivered about 450 units for ice rinks.
450?
450. And to Russia about 150. And example, we delivered 5 projects to Sochi also, Sochi ice arenas, Sochi Olympic Games. My travel schedule is it's so that it's about 2 weeks Finland or other European country and 1 week Russia. So it's very often. Usually Moscow. We have a daughter company in Moscow, and there we have also manufacturing. We manufacturing standard training arena units there. And so.
And other cities?
Magnitogorsk, then St. Petersburg, Chelyabinsk, Yekaterinburg, and now we have project in Khabarovsk also, and so everywhere. I come to Magnitogorsk every year, checking how cooling unit works, and so I try keep good ice here. I visit couple times every year, not only one times, but it's so that make service this arena ice rink cooling units. This trip I start up new training arena unit what we delivered this month. This is very good unit. We delivered that unit about 6-7 years ago, and it works without big problem, and it's now also very good condition. Now it's very good condition, and you can start new season.